going to be learning how to make a triangle in OpenGL using CodeBlocks. So let's get started. First of all, we'll write the hashtag include gl/glut.h to access all the libraries. Then we are going to be creating a function of the return type void, let's say display function. So first of all, we will clear the buffer with gl clear function, gl color buffer bit, then we are going to be writing our function gl begin, gl triangles, since we have to create a triangle. Then let's start with the first vertex of the triangle, gl vertex 2f. Before that, let's just give the vertex a color, gl color 3f. Let's just give a random color. In the vertex, I'm going to be passing the coordinates. This is going to be integer type. I'm going to be passing 100, 100. Then for the second vertex, let's just give this a color. Let's say 1, 0, 0. Then I'm going to be passing the coordinates. Let's say 300, 100. Then for the topmost vertex, this is going to be in the middle of your screen, so you have to be careful. So first of all, you have to add 100 plus 300, which is 400 divided by 2 is 200. So I'm going to be passing, this is the color. In vertex coordinates, I'm going to be passing 200, 300, so that this vertex is in the middle. And for the color, I'm going to be giving 0, 0, 1, just a random color. After this, you have to end with gl end and then gl flush. So the next thing we are going to be making, in the init function, you have to write gl matrix mode and you have to pass gl projection, and in glu ortho 2D function you have to pass your minimum. This is the minimum x coordinate, which is 0. Maximum is I'm going to be taking is 500. Then minimum y I'm going to be taking as 0, and maximum y coordinate I'm taking as 500. So I'm taking the limit as 500 for my triangle. Then after this is also done. The last thing is int main function. In that, I'm going to be initializing the glut library from glut init ampersand argc and argv. Then glut init display mode, I'm going to be choosing glut RGB color scheme and single buffer. Then glut init window size, we've already taken the maximum window size as 500, so I'm going to be passing the coordinates as 500. Then I'm going to be calling the init function. Then I'm going to be calling my display function, glut init display function, passing my display function. I'm going to be calling this function. Then I'm going to be making this an endless loop, and at last return 0. Window function. Okay, I forgot to write the glut create window function, and I'm going to name it triangle. So let's now run this. So as you can see, this is our triangle. Thank you.